Hello again. Today we are going to unbox this RUITOOL Japanese flush cutting pole saw. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I'm like, oh, that looks super cool. So I went and picked this up from Temu, and I'll have a follow-up video to show it in action, but I wanted to unbox it just to see. The box is pretty okay. The packaging wasn't super great, but it is a decent, product. But it has a little sticker here, so I'm just gonna pull the sticker, put it on the back, boom, and pull it out. And oh, look at this, it's pretty nice. It's actually in a nice little, protective covering, and I'm gonna go ahead and unveil it, and it's pretty cool. So the teeth are actually, and I'll keep these on because this is really sharp, but I'll take one side off. But teeth are, kind of like jagged, but I don't know if that can show up very well. But, it looks pretty cool. I will go ahead and give this a try, and I will give it a field test and have a follow-up video that I'll link to this one. If you have any questions, oh, look at the logo. I didn't even see that. Hopefully you can see the RUITOOL logo. It feels pretty solid. It's not too heavy. I'm definitely going to give, put it through some durability testing, but looks pretty good. Like it. So we'll see.